Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is, as you can see by the title, an Hermes bag unboxing. For a bit of a spoiler, it is not a dream bag, however, it is still a bag that's fairly sought after in Hermes and can be a bit hard to get as well. So, if you do like these sort of videos, please remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, let's get into the unboxing so we can try and make this short and sweet. So, this bag I did actually get through my usual personal shopper in Italy named Elena, and her Instagram is Bags Shoes Addicted. And I did save a bit of money by going through her and getting it in Europe because, as you probably know, the Hermes pricing in Europe is a lot cheaper than pretty much anywhere else, especially in Australia. It's a lot cheaper to just buy from Europe. And when this bag became available, I knew that I wanted it. Well, when this bag became available online, I told Elena that I wanted it and she was able to get it for me. And I knew that it probably would be hard for me to get at my local boutique anyway because it's in a color that people tend to want. So enough rambling, let's just going to start. Oh, I'll type that over there. Let's just start unboxing it. So we're gonna try and make this a quick video. And you can probably see by the size kind of what spectrum of bag we are potentially looking at here. Clearly a mini bag. That's the care booklet, throw that over there. Just because I don't have my little bench in front of me today. So it's over to the left where my dog is sitting on it. Inside, you probably can already tell what it is by the shape. But for those who are not very familiar with Hermes, this still may be a surprise. And inside, we have the Hermes Mini Evelyne, otherwise known as the TPM. So yes, this is the Mini Evelyne. It does come with a shoulder strap, which is inside the bag. So here is actually the button to open up the bag. This might be an interesting fact, but this is actually the way the bag's supposed to be worn. Designed like with the Evelyne PM and the Evelyne GM. This is how the bag's supposed to be worn, and it usually has a pocket here. But most people just wear it this way. And I think with the Mini, that's just the ideal way to wear it because there's no pocket on it otherwise. And just taking this off. And this is in the Clemence leather, and the color is Etane, which is an elephant grey. Okay. So inside the dust bag is the strap, which is an Etane strap as well, because you can get the Mini Evelyne with like an Amazon strap with something like a different color, or it might have zigzags on it, but it's a bit hard. It is quite a bit harder to get. If I do ever see an Amazon online, I'll probably snap that up as well. So here we are, this is the strap, and I believe it's about 110 centimeters, if I remember correctly.
I'm just peeling off the, there's like the stickers on the hardware. Trying to get them off so I can actually put the bag on for you so you can see.
Okay, so that's with the strap attached, so now you can get a better idea of how the bag actually sort of looks. And the sizing, I don't know off the top of my head, so again I'm going to put it down in the subtitles on the screen so you can see the sizing. And it's a mini bag, but it certainly does pack a punch. I'm going to grab some things just to pop into the bag so we can get an idea of what it fits. I thought I'd mention that the inside of the bag is not lined. It's actually just the backing of the leather that's inside the bag. So that's why the bag is really, really lightweight, because it's just made from essentially one, like not one piece of leather, but it's just made from one layer of leather. So you don't have any lining inside, whereas the Birkin and the Kelly, it's got another lining of leather inside, whereas this is not. It's just like a microfiber sort of backing on the back of the leather there. And Clemence is a really, really smushy, soft leather. It's not really any difference in weight versus Togo, maybe just a teeny tiny little bit heavier, but in something like this you wouldn't notice it, especially because it doesn't have any double lining of leather, so it doesn't really add any additional weight. And then it's only got this little bit of hardware either side, so it's really quite a lightweight bag. Good for doing errands, good for if you're going out for the day with your kids. You don't need to carry much and you just need something that's really lightweight to wear crossbody. So this is essentially what I'll be using that bag for. errands, if we're going on an outing, like we're going to the park, we're going on a play date or something like that, I'll probably just take this and put some things in there, and then I might just have another bag with just nappies or something like that. So I'll just grab some things, and I've got the Louis Vuitton Kirigami, my phone, which is it's a bit smaller than an iPhone Plus. This is a Google Pixel 2, but not the XL. So just putting it inside, and there's no pockets inside as well. And my keys, which has got my car key fob and my house keys. And that's how it looks with those inside. So it's not full yet. I could still put more in. However, I do have this bag which is full of bits and pieces like makeup, medicine, tissues. And I think I could get it in here, but what I'm going to have to do is actually take everything out.
Mommy.
Yes? So you can just hear my daughter yelling mummy because she come running over with something showed up on the television. I'm just putting inside that little bag of makeup and stuff like that. I don't think I would do that, because what it's doing is like kind of putting like a distortion on the bag, like it's showing the shape of what's inside. But I could take things out of this and then quite easily fit it in the bag. So I can say that this bag would quite comfortably fit your small wallet. I wouldn't advise that it's going to fit a long wallet, otherwise the security could be a bit compromised with the bag if it's sitting very close to the top of the bag, because it doesn't have a zip, it's just closed by this latch here. So yes, a small wallet, car keys, house keys, a phone, and then you could fit in lip gloss, tissues, small things that you can kind of add on top of the bag.
Look. Key.
Yeah.
Key.
Yeah.
Key.
Yeah.
Key.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
I got a cookie.
Is it a corgi? Yeah? Right. Hang on 1 second. Mum's going to finish her video, okay? Do you want to sit with Juno? Sit with Juno? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to try and wrap up this video. What I'm going to do at the end of the video, I am sure I would have taken mod shots already, and I'm going to include it at the end of this video, how the bag looks crossbody and on the shoulder. That's pretty much the only ways you're going to wear the bag anyway. And yeah, I think, did I tell you how much it was? Oh, the retail price in Australia is $2,655, and I paid $2,300. About 2,000, I'd say around about 2,300, maybe a little bit less. So if the exchange rate is good wherever you are, it might actually be more feasible to buy from Europe. Just have a look anyway. I'm going to wrap up this video just because my daughter is going to continue to distract me and I need to give her all the attention that she deserves. So this is the Hermes Mini Evelyne TPM, otherwise known as in Etain, in the leather Clemence. And if there is any other questions you want to know about this bag, please feel free to contact me on Instagram, on Purseonfleek, or put it in the comments down below and I will answer your questions. And I hope that this video was enjoyable. Sorry that it was a little bit all over the place. Now I have my daughter opening the door and I'm now signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.
Bye.